have to go and talk to your daughter. I don't like how she talks to me. Me to pay. She needs to realize that I'm your wife.
Relax. Come and tell me what happened.
Can you imagine? Maybe catching the song and she's talking back at me, telling me that she won't do it.
And what did you tell her?
I told her to go and clean the kitchen.
Did you insist on it?
Whose job is it? Akola or Tiffy, and isn't she supposed to do anything in the house?
No.
I'm telling you that Akolane is talking back at me. You're asking me, did I insist on it? What's that supposed to mean?
Yes, when you told her to go and do it and she was talking rubbish, it's your responsibility as a mother to put her to order. You shouldn't run to me and tell me I should go call her. And no, she's your daughter.
Akolane, don't you realize so foul? Also was saying me.
Also was saying it doesn't mean say or a penny no. As it stands now, you are the mother. You have every right to correct her. You have every right to tell her to do certain things, and she must obey.
Well, she's not listening to me, and I need you to go and talk to her.
How long is this going to continue? I always tell you, behave like your mother, because you are.
What's that supposed to mean?
When she was talking back to you, you should have insisted on it. Do it, and you wouldn't have any option than to do it. And she will do it.
Well, that's why you are here. Go and talk to her. Tell her to clean the kitchen. Now, Kasha me say, insist on being a mother. Do you think if I had not insisted on being a mother, I can make bad Bekacho? Go and talk to her.
The way Bufu. Bufu in the. Oh my God. Hey, Jaiwas. Who will from? No.
Leave me alone.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
You're supposed to be on my side.
I'm on your side. I'm just trying to tell you, stand firm. So what's wrong with that? There's nothing wrong with that. Trying to tell you to be the mother that you're supposed to be. Come. Relax. Let me double the pillow for you. Relax.
Are you going to go and talk to me?
I will surely do that. Hey. No here before. No. Yeah.
So we was na utie nie. E wo mo se nya o maame ankasa no papa yedie. Nenso kan wo se oye panyi. Ye ya kan mamu hana. Se akola ne panyi nya asem se den a panyi no e right. Panyi no edibem. Enti me de mani atofo se ya na woni no agiu
omboade. Ombumi papa ombu obia ofia odi obia ni ma e form no odi obia ni ma e rag no odi paper form ombuhwe timisumi mbu no
menkasa two wrongs that's not make it right.
Okay.
Enti so no embuade no odi manu yefo na so disrespect na obi be kasa wonso umuade say akon no nya wo papa kon eti wo ye wode na wo mpe a ana papa ba daddy woni wo no me ye mi se
papa catch no ka on fi ono de obe catch and say so obe ko school be ba no obe sesa so on sesa this thing obe sai
me pacho odi mate but me mpesa one ne be argue bi me mpesa one be yi anu bi wo ye wode na wo mpe a you just walk away. I know you're better than say as who disrespect now. What disrespect papa indirectly and I wouldn't
even I'm even suspecting say like she's cheating on my dad. Yeah.
Cheating.
Yeah, me suspect pa so cheating.
So on the bema for fraud.
Yeah.
Hey, haram. Now ba worry fault my bema for sa no da. Ayo ba ko no mama me nedidim. Enya say bebo.
Then as mommy.
Hey.
I don't want to as a mother. It's a no crime me person papa worry. Cause me, I'm not happy.
She come out there to that no trouble too. They miss me saying.
I wish so come papa be worry.
I wish na me until no there we boy so the mama no. Pama ne sa.
I dey me ntimi o.
Me too phone team myself.
Me tie.
Ko twema no ofom. And so a form of disrespect and I want him.
Sorry.
To the mechanic, you are the prayer. Would you just walk away? Man can show up papa now, they are turning him, and I'll try to avoid no. What?
Welcome at
Dear sign up with
Medal.
Hey, Lisa.
I'm so pure, man.
See. Once a while, I catch up, papa say, when you may free desert and a show from a man, puano, say breezy me chibi. I had the come. So, but the dance of a cassia. Oh, Michelle and Maria, so I say, said about Baba damage himself.
Send me the Amicabiano tea.
Into no be I want to dine. Reason to do be a diamond. To go down dining. Ebi and I was run at just about check so that or by now.
Me, them I am who I am my family mammy. To me, by me, who any mass me, who mammy, any or winning. See, I know many agent.
And yes, Mashada at the proposal, I call papa any what say be a once a week, be your madam mention. What you much one as a much wrong.
Same so cry.
Oh, man, yes, I'm in Pessa. In bad mood, you have a bad mood, that's a bashon I money. Then tribute a bit of goose. I judge I mean so. What I mean so. Koda. Why? We catch up, papa. Oh, Lisa.
Mommy.
Hey, Kafra Befati. From semi junior mother, an assistant mother.
Why you come to me?
Good night, what? You go soon. What am I? Yeah, Yama go bear my what? So go back. I need cocoa, but yeah. Emotional. I feel mommy. That's just what I say, Mama. Not to me. Makuma sopa. Opinya nanka ne papa. She am saying, hey, there is hope for the cripple. That's a cripple banante. That's it. Much I am before entirely. Be shimuking na the baby and by the times 3. Hey, afa.
What's going on here? What else was you doing? Hey! Who told you you can come here and go? Did I not tell you there are boundaries in this house?
Mame, Adia. Boundaries. And also, if you care to know, I am cooking for your husband. Yes.
It's not your comedy, come home.
Said the way nana musician view. Also, drama one of ya. Oh, you're dramatic. The only ones who pete so I said the one electric shock. Oh, no, gentleman couldn't. Oh, could not contract with them and no gentleman in here. What's I bet you throw it about? What do you think?
Mimi Kuno. Who said baby I know did you? He would never do that. Madam, you can't cook here. Makacho semen found son so mini memu. Who gave you permission? Huh? Me can't just me found son so mini me.
What if ya? There's one if ya. Only observant. Ukno, o di me dwele tafre den sabe tafre na bade. Me na make a chow. Eti e dwele no obedi. How did you know what
is a lie.
That is a lie.
Yes.
You're responsible. Why? Now you're bad for. Our any ringing into me and also keko. It comes with responsibilities. It's yeah, you was said yeah. We are me na me no aduane me ma kunu ni. Abi o hunu mu sare de ade. Yay.
Then now, yeah.
What are you hearing?
Who we are teaching me chance in what's na make a show? What's it?
I don't want invigilate pe home. Na shame crash on my exams. Mo na mo frustrating club exams so na fufu bonnet to one man and look at refi o ti
Say me come back kwa obeji man. Madam, don't you know I'm the madam in this house?
Me de me hu madam sem no apart from say obedra hyehyɛ na watwu anim na wapetepete so no pe. E no so nya madam responsibility nkwan no. It's ye dia kan 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 na ka o keche wo chi na mo che fish o ye gravy o ye nkuruma o ka bete e ben kufufuo.
Me.
Na ka hwan. Susu hwem wai. Wa me ka se bia mu.
Me mo.
Pa hwan. Ana ka wo mo na ka hwan me. Ada me se bi ma na.
Adriana no. Me so we are dispose of like tuning you go what's na make a show.
Ukunu didi wi a.
Me kunu would never eat this food.
Ukunu didi wi a me ya ka be hye fridge ma no. Ahwache be sa be hiti adi. O pe papa. Eye ni de papa. Odi papa. Yeah, Idi. Odi papa.
Idi.
Odi papa.
Idi.
Odi papa.
Idi.
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 Wow, shem. Idi. What's ya say me ho? We na ofere yire no. Mame. Me do was about so many members a kire wo. Oba ye kasa wo yo ba warefo a. Una yeso hwe okuma ne. O ma okura duane. How self for gu for anyina e kasa. What kasa o fi anyina e kasa. Me no mo di so wo kasa. O ye o sa say. Want this to ni pampan no. Ajia papa. Obedi edi do ni wo de. Okura me hwe kura wi abidi na ka na wonka. Abeja idi. Tra ho. Me de sense be da no na enche. Kakra ko ba no show. Me pele ba. Na land ho. Aze. Idi. Odi papa. Idi.
What is it?
Sa girl no. A friend say.
Which girl?
Ama. Oh yeah, bibi wo hon mo so na ka chen so on.
Oh, yeah, baby said it.
She's cooking.
Yeah, she's cooking.
Wo na ka chen so on.
Oh, I thought my catcher. Sorry. My engaging the service and I can say for you because girl I don't know anything about.
Just like that. Why didn't you tell me? Why have you no pobia you journey girl they so poison.
Who told you that?
Ew, babe, how can you ask her to cook for you?
But what's wrong with that? She knows how to cook. She's a good cook.
She knows how to cook.
Very well.
That means it's not your first time.
Is there a reason for me not worrying you about food nowadays?
Please, I don't like the fact that she's in my kitchen, okay?
So where do you want her to cook for me to eat?
I don't want her cooking in this house.
What do you want me to eat? Tell me.
Are you not already eating? Are you starving?
I'm starving, yes. I was starving.
Babe, you're not starving. Look at you. Okay, there was always food in the kitchen.
You think that there?
Oh dear, please, just let her leave my kitchen.
There's no way she's going to leave this house. And she's not leaving the kitchen. That's where she's going to use to prepare my food.
Say Mekai sige on Oba started from stage 1 before you realize not stage 2, before you realize not stage 2. Say Mekai.
If stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 is going to help, why not?
Who is it helping right now? It's helping you. You don't care about me.
What do you think I'm suffering? Why am I working? Am I not supposed to enjoy, the fruit of my labor? What do you take me for? Why should I hustle, provide your needs, and be starving? Tell me, why should I do that? Come on. No, she wouldn't. She's not leaving this house and she's not leaving the kitchen. Adjust to that.
She's leaving the kitchen.
She's not leaving. She's not leaving.
Indeed.
Oh yes, she's not leaving. If you can prepare food for me and somebody can prepare food for me, why? Do you want me to die? Hey, madam, come on, yo. Come on, yeah. What it? You've been starving me all these years. I've been talking. Nothing man you be about no do and I want them to live. I want to.
We'll find another cook.
There's nowhere we are going to find another cook. We are not finding another cook from anywhere. She's the cook we found, and she's going to prepare my food. You can join me if you so wish.
Ew.
I don't care, but I will eat. I will not starve. And maybe somebody who can give me banana.
Banana is good for you. It's healthy.
Typical African man. You're going to give me banana to live on banana. Some is sad dream, won't he? And no, baby. Some are packing me doing in so you think that you can treat me the way you want, isn't it? Eh? On where do you know? You need native ya. Won't to uncle baby. And it's on the way you are on any better, she has on any better. And she will have access to the kitchen at any point in time. It's either you adjust to it or it's your own palaver. I don't care. But as far as I know, I'm going to enjoy that meal. What? Idi what? Tell me. Are you ready to cook? Open your mouth and talk. Are you ready to cook? You're not ready to cook. Good. So let me eat. Let me eat, okay? She's not moving an inch. She's here with us, and she's going to use the kitchen. She's going to prepare my meal, and I'm going to enjoy it. Period.
She's not Idi. Me found female.
car by your nights will be affairs and all that. I mean, dear girl. Bra min tum.
So I will need you. I feel no one down. What the phone so TikTok on kwa. Wa unye obi ko ye so amani nya yi. O de kaka se dwan lamsa.
Yi no. You see na so hu de wo yo. As they say no sa be ka hwe na so dem. O ba we na akọ.
Na wana on de ade pa ben na won pe.
Mati asia de pa.
O hu bi a na no e se ya wo so gu mo ba twiniti da.
Oh, the old candy no na me pesa me chiro so me pesa me hu me position. Pesa me hu ti ma me bosa mboko tokwa na mbo ata. Ena pesa me hu. So asa wo de ma shelo ki na ba we na akra na ba we na akọ. Me hu de ekọ ma me hu me position. E wo fia ha. Ena me no ka ho asem.
Mano me no wadin ka aka maka cho se me nko ba bia wo ni ba bia ko nti se maka me bibia toto din otifia. Bibia no ye time. Emre pa baba ye bibia ma ni sisi so. Ayese dame no. Wo an calculate na to a wo begua. But when you are pa so na ya ho akroma no.
Ntweme konfa me hu.
Oh.
Mani da ho papa. Ntweme konfa me say na oyi no yakasa che no. Ye si na dwuma me na magia me yama no. To be kroso me ne be fia kadam.
E bi men ya sa me.
Ene ma me kroso me na hwe machine ya ma be yusu be o cha yi ponko.
Mini mesi anya ho abotre. Nya ho abotre.
So die no. Ye nte bala ka ma me kwa de.
Nya ho abotre na.
Ma tre mo sa o mada.
Babe. Babe.
been here.
Here.
Yeah.
But I already walked past this place.
Oh, then I was out there. Over there at the balcony.
Why? Why are you outside?
I was finding it tough to sleep, so I decided to come in while I was time here.
You left me alone.
Oh, come on, you were fast asleep now.
So yeah, they will shoot you.
Okay, no problem. Let's go.